Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today, I have another unboxing from Portland Leather Goods. As you can see here, not exactly an unboxing because when I received this package, it was already open. So I felt like I had a need to check it out to make sure everything is inside. I thought I would share this with you because these were from the secret sales. So maybe you can see what to expect when you buy from a secret sale. In case you're not familiar with their secret sales, they have regular listing, and then they have almost perfect, and then they have these secret sales. For secret sales, usually they use it to get rid of like their overstock products or a little bit imperfection. Now I'm going to take it out and show you the bag. The first bag I wanted to show you is this medium crossbody. This one is in Sedona color because I know it because it's on the box. It says Sedona. So I want to show you this up close, and you see all this heavy characteristic of this leather, the vein and the texture. That's probably why it became a C-grade product. But to me, it doesn't matter so much. And also, it's a little bit of squish in down here. I should be able to reshape it. I'm not sure why, but it seems that when it comes to C-grade products, mostly bags with all this heavy leather texture. I guess people don't really like this kind of texture. Personally, I love this kind of texture. I think it really makes the bags more unique. Let's take out the stuffing and make sure everything is alright inside. This is the crossbody strap. So for this one, it has a zip closure. Let's test out the zipper. Hopefully the zipper is not the reason why it became a C-grade product. Nope. Very smooth. So that's how it looks. And the crossbody strap is adjustable, but I heard that it's not the longest. I think they do sell extender for their crossbody strap. Or else this strap is removable, so you can always use a crossbody strap you buy from Amazon or Etsy. You can use it with any straps you like. Open up the bag is very straightforward. It's a big space with a slip pocket. The slip pocket does have their logo patch on it and heavy texture with this leather. I think it's really unique and cool. I love it. In terms of the bottom here, I was able to push it out, even it out a little bit. I can see that the stitch line is not the straightest here. But you know, most of the time, people don't check the bottom of your bag, so you'll be fine getting a bag like that. I'm really happy with this bag from the C-grade sale because the price is great, and usually their bag with zip closure, it does cost more. So it's a great deal when you get a zip closure. And then I have another one to show you. This one is their toaster. It's basically a camera bag, but they call it a toaster because the shape kind of looks like a toaster. Since this was in the same box as my medium crossbody, it didn't say what color is this. I think it's a cognac color because it does have a little bit slight purple undertone to it. I believe with grizzly it's more deep brown tone. This one has a slight purple undertone to it. And with this one I do see a little scuff mark on it, but it's not the most obvious. And with use, you will start to see more scuff mark develop, and with conditioner and all that, it will even up eventually. So I do like this toaster. That's why I'm getting this, the second one. This one, it has this front pocket. It's great to put your phone when you are out shopping. And then the zipper has this beautiful leather pull. Let's see how is the zipper. It's pretty smooth. Not too much stuffing inside this. Inside the bag, they also have this slip pocket. To be honest, with the size of this bag, as you can see, it's quite a narrow bag. I don't think you need a slip pocket because when you put stuff in, it starts to take up the space. But I think it's kind of generous for them to add another option for us to organize our stuff. If you don't want your stuff touching each other, this would be great. And then for this bag, the only logo they have is on the front. It's kind of like a debossed logo. It's not very obvious. It's there but not very obvious. So if you are someone who doesn't like logos on your bag, this is still great because you don't really see the logo normally. Now looking at the strap, this is an adjustable strap with this belt buckle structure. And then it comes with this two strap catcher thing, the loop that catch the end of the strap. I'm surprised that this one comes with two. I think usually it just comes with one. But 2 is better than 1, right? Do you agree? I think with 2, you have more options. If you want to wear it really short, you don't have to worry about the strap dangling around. You know, sometimes when you have a camera bag, they tend to kind of tip over. But this one, as you can see here, it doesn't tip over. It's able to stay straight up pretty well. The only thing I wish they can improve on is the size, because this is a little bit narrow. Like other than your wallet, your keys and typical basic stuff, you really can't put much in this. I wish they can make the side a little bit wider so that I can put more stuff in it and it would be more practical. I guess with this kind of slim profile, it does look more sleek and modern. I think small bags like that is a great choice if you are new to Portland Leather Goods and you want to try out their product. Start from small, try out their product to see if you like the leather. And among all of their small bags, I think the toaster is one of the most versatile ones. So these two came from their C-grade sale. I'm quite happy with what I got today. They are very practical. These both color, I can totally use them no problem. So I'm happy to get bags that I can use. And I don't see major flaws on these bags. Pretty happy with these two based on the price I pay for. If you are interested, check out their bags. Great leather quality and you have a lot of options. Anyway, thanks for joining me today for this quick unboxing. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!